Hello my dear students, welcome to KUNDU tutorial. So today we are going to start a new chapter, that is the living world from the NEET 2023. Okay, so these are all the chapters we will be discussing one by one for the upcoming NEET examinations. So today we are going to start the living world. At first we need to know what is the life. Life is a unique, complex organization of the molecules expressing through chemical reactions which lead to growth, development, responsiveness, adaptation and the reproduction. So we need to keep in my mind all the features of the life. Okay. Next is, what is a living organism? A living organism is self-replicating, evolving and self-regulating interactive system capable of responding to the external stimuli. So all of you remember that one. What is a living organism? Next, we will be reading what are the different features of the living organisms they have. That means the properties of living organism. So let's start. Growth, reproduction, metabolism, cellular organization and consciousness. So these 5 properties of living organisms are very important to be, means how we are saying that it is living. The chair and table, they are the non-living. So these are the differentiative characteristic feature. So first we will be going to discuss the growth. So as you see in the picture, some cell it is there whenever it is in the womb of the mother. So by the cell division it is growing or increasing its number. So one by one cell division it is occurring, and one by one the cell number also it is going to increase. Increase means the cell volume also increasing. It is the increase in number and mass of cells by cell division. Okay, students? So next is, in plants, growth continues throughout their lifespan. Growth continues throughout their lifespan, not only the animals, but in case of the plants also. In animals, growth is only up to a certain age. However, cell division occurs to replace the lost cell, that is the dead cell. This is also the growth example. Whenever the mountain or the hill region, this is also one characteristic feature. So basically growth is the increase in mass and size. Thus non-living objects also grow, surface accumulation of material. So growth is not a defining property of living organisms. In living organisms, growth is from inside. So keep in mind these 2 points, very important. Next, we will be going to the reproduction. See here in the picture, as in the flower, as in the bud, that is chick. So all their reproduction means what? Reproduction, it is the procedure or the process where the production of the new offspring, that is the progeny, having features similar to those of the parents. Organisms reproduce asexually and sexually. Asexually means without production of gametes, and sexually means with production of gametes. That is the male gametes and the female gametes. This is the example of the asexual reproduction. In unicellular organisms, growth and reproductions are same because they reproduce by the cell division. That is very simple process, except the without the help of the gametes. And in case of the mule and the worker honeybee, many organisms do not reproduce. These are the sterile. For example, mules and worker bees, infertile human couples also. Hence, reproduction is not a perfect defined property of the living organisms. Okay. So, you need to also remember this point. Very important. Next, we will go for the metabolism activity. These are the pictures. Food, while we are taking the food, it will go for the catabolic pathways, and ultimately why we need the food? Because to energize our body, right? So to produce the energy by the help of the nutritious substance, that is the food. So let's introduce with the metabolism. It is the sum total of all biochemical reactions taking place inside a living organism. It is the defining feature of living organism. Metabolic reactions can be demonstrated outside also, right, in the cell-free system. So isolated metabolic reactions in vitro are not the living things but are the living reactions. So mind it, students. So students, these are the all important features today we have discussed, and obviously we will meet in the next class. Still that, you stay tuned with this channel. Don't forget to subscribe, and who are the new members, don't forget to share this video with your classmates. So bye everyone, have a nice day.